Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're here for the first time, you're highly welcome. In today's video we're going to be making goat meat pepper soup. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm going to be using. So we're going to be using goat meat, we're going to be using Scotch bonnet pepper, we're going to be using bell pepper, and then garlic and onions. So I just finished blending the mixed pepper. So now I'm going to be putting water in the pot, and this is bouillon. I'm going to be putting salt and then onion flakes, and then I'm going to be putting paprika, and then I'll be going in with parsley flakes. So aside from the blended pepper, I still had to put paprika because I want it to be more spicy, and this is pepper soup seasoning. So I'm going to be putting this pepper soup seasoning also. It also makes the soup very delicious, and makes the soup to be very thick too. That is for the pepper soup seasoning. So I'm going to be putting in the fresh goat meat. You can use oxtail. You can use any type of meat that you want, any type of meat, but in this for this purpose I'm going to be using goat meat. So now I'm going to be bringing in the mixed pepper, which is the Scotch bonnet pepper, the bell pepper, onions, and the garlic I blended. So I'm going to be adding it now because the goat meat is almost cooked. So that's why I had to put in the mixed pepper. So now I'm going to be putting yam. So I'm going to be peeling the yam. You can use potato, you can use plantain, you can use just any you can use any of this I mentioned. So I'll be using yam. So I want to peel the yam I'm going to be using for the soup. So I have a video I uploaded for tilapia fish pepper soup, and for that soup I used plantain. So but for this purpose I'm going to be using yam, and it's very nice. So you have to hold on for the goat meat to be properly cooked before you can bring in the yams. So you just leave the yam to cook for a while. It doesn't take the yam too long to cook, say between 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, the yam should be properly cooked. And then I'm going to be coming in with a basil leaf. If you don't have basil leaf, you can also use scent leaf. And if you don't have any of this, you can actually skip it. It's actually optional, but I just like to put basil leaves since I cannot find scent leaf around me. So now guys, the goat meat is properly cooked, the yam is cooked. You can see I'm putting in my fork, so I'll be able to check and be very sure the yam is properly cooked. And you check for the meat too. The meat is very soft, it's tender. So by so doing, I'm going to bring in the basil leaves, and I just want the basil leaf to just steam for a while. So you just leave it to steam for like 2-3 minutes, and guys, our soup is ready. It doesn't really take too long, so long as you have prepped everything you're going to be using. So guys, do well to watch my other videos, like, subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be uploading a lot of videos that you're really going to like. So I appreciate it if you're going to subscribe. Let's just be one big family. So our soup is ready. This soup is actually good for the winter season, for this cozy season. It's actually good. This soup is also good for nursing moms. It's good for new moms, that just, had a baby. So if you take this spicy soup, my God, you're so gonna love it, guys. You're gonna love it. It's so delicious, and it's also good when you take it very hot. So guys, let me know if you're going to be trying out this recipe. If you have any other question, all the recipes are in the description below. Kindly check it out for the full recipe. And if you have any question, feel free, guys, to leave it in the comment section, and I'm going to be checking the comments, and I'm going to be replying you if you have any question. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, as I earlier said, and I wish you guys a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance, guys. Thank you guys for watching my video. I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate your support. Thank you guys. I love you. Bye bye.